Chief Justice Bart Katureebe, who came out strongly to condemn last week's raid on Makindye Magistrates Court by a group of people, has again spoken out on the desecration of the courts. He says that the despicable act could have the chilling effect of leaving those who dispense justice operating in fear.
For a magistrate to adjourn a case or not hear a case because of fear of what may happen in the next 5 minutes is something that should be regretted and must not be repeated.
On the fateful day, some people claiming to be Inspector General of Police General Kale Kayihura's supporters stormed Makindye Court in an attempt to block the police chief's prosecution and harm the lawyers privately prosecuting the case. General Kayihura, who did not show up, was expected at the court to answer charges of torture. He is now expected in court on 29th August. Katureebe has asked the police to ensure that the ugly scenes of last week are not repeated so that the judicial officers can do their work without interference.
We expect that the premises will be protected and the court will proceed as normal.
Chief Justice Bart Katureebe made the remarks while launching the induction of newly appointed Grade One Magistrates at the Judicial Studies Institute in Nakawa, Kampala. He appealed for more protection for judges and lawyers.
The judicial officers must be protected to do their work. Lawyers must be protected to do their work because that is our mandate under the Constitution.
But the Chief Justice also scolded his colleagues. He cautioned judges against laziness and absenteeism.
If they come to court on Monday, it is usually after 11. For about an hour they adjourn. On Friday, the excuse is always I'm traveling home, I'm going somewhere. But you remember that we are public officers.
He then put on notice lawyers who he said were contributing to the huge case backlog by unnecessarily applying for adjournments in court. He says new rules will soon be formulated to avert this vice.
We are trying to even change our rules to make the judge take charge of the proceedings instead of the lawyers dictating proceedings.
This first batch of 57 newly appointed Grade One magistrates will spend 2 weeks at the Institute attaining skills in court procedures and the rule of evidence. Solomon Kawesa, NTV.